everyone, and welcome back to our English for Beginners course. This is Lesson 11, and today we are continuing our shopping topic. In Lesson 9, we learned how to ask about prices and buy everyday things at the supermarket. Today, we will go a little deeper. We will focus on shopping for clothes, shoes, and other items at the market or clothing store. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use common clothing, vocabulary shirt, jeans, jacket, dress, shoes, etc. Ask and answer questions about size, color, and style. Use polite phrases when shopping in a clothing store or market. Practice real dialogues between customers and shopkeepers. Speak more confidently when buying clothes in English. So let's get started. Part 2. Vocabulary. Clothes and accessories. Repeat after me. Basic clothing items. Shirt. I bought a new shirt. T-shirt. This t-shirt is red. Jeans. My jeans are blue. Trousers. Pants. I wear trousers at work. Dress. She is wearing a dress. Skirt. The skirt is short. Jacket. I need a new jacket. Coat. The coat is warm. Sweater. The sweater is soft. Hoodie. I like wearing a hoodie. Shoes and footwear. 11. Shoes. My shoes are black. 12. Sneakers. I wear sneakers every day. 13. Boots. The boots are brown. 14. Sandals. I wear sandals in summer. 15. Slippers. I wear slippers at home. Accessories. 16. Hat. The hat is small. 17. Cap. The cap is blue. 18. Scarf. She is wearing a scarf. 19. Gloves. The gloves are warm. 20. Belt. I need a belt. 21. Bag. She bought a new bag. 22. Watch. The watch is expensive. 23. Sunglasses. He is wearing sunglasses. Pause the video now and repeat these words out loud twice. Part 3. Useful phrases for shopping clothes when you enter a shop. Excuse me. Can I see this shirt? Do you have this in size medium? I would like to try this on. Where is the fitting room? When asking about colors, do you have this in red, blue, black? I prefer a lighter color. Can I see this in another color? When asking about size, what sizes do you have? Do you have this in small, medium, large? It's too big, it's too small. This fits well. When asking about price, how much is this shirt? Is this on sale? Can you give me a discount? That's too expensive. When buying, I'll take this one. Can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash? Do you have a bag? Please. Part 4. Dialogue practice. Clothing store customer. Excuse me, can I see this jacket? Shopkeeper. Of course. Here you go. Customer. Do you have this in size medium? Shopkeeper. Yes, here it is. Customer. Can I try it on? Shopkeeper. Sure. The fitting room is over there. Customer. Thank you. After trying it, fits well. How much is it? Shopkeeper. It's $40. Customer. That's a little expensive. Can I get a discount? Shopkeeper. Okay. I can give it to you for $35. Customer. Great. I'll take it. Now let's practice. I will be the shopkeeper, and you will be the customer. I will pause after each line so you can speak. Part 5. Dialogue. Practice market street shopping at a street market stall. Anna. How much is this dress? Seller. It's $20. Anna. That's too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? Seller. Okay, $15. Anna. Can I try it on? Seller. Yes. Over there. Anna. It's too small. Do you have a bigger size? Seller. Sorry, only small. Anna, okay, thank you anyway. Practice this dialogue. I will play Anna, and you will be the seller. Part 6 Colors, Sizes, and Styles. Colors: red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, pink, orange, purple, gray. Sizes: small s, medium M, large L, extra large XL. Styles: casual, formal, sporty, comfortable, trendy. Example sentences: do you have this t-shirt in blue? I need a large size. I like casual clothes. Part 7 Real-life mini dialogues at the shoe store. Customer: do you have these sneakers in size 9? Seller: yes. Here you are. Customer: can I try them on? Seller: of course. At the accessory shop. Customer: how much is this bag? Seller: $25. Customer: I'll take it. At the market. Customer: do you have this in another color? Seller: yes, we have red and blue. Repeat each dialogue after me. Part 8 Polite expressions for shopping. Always be polite while shopping. Use these. Excuse me, could you please? May I see this? Thank you very much. That's very nice. I appreciate your help. Example: excuse me, may I see that shirt, please? Could you please show me this in another color? Part 9 Practice exercise for viewers. Now it's your turn. Write your answers in the comments. What is your favorite clothing item? Do you like shopping at the market or in stores? Why? Write a short dialogue between you and a shopkeeper. Example: my favorite clothing item is a hoodie. I like shopping at the market because it is cheaper. Dialogue: me: how much is this hat? Shopkeeper: $10. Me: can I get a discount? Shopkeeper: okay, $8. Part 10 Summary and Review. Today we learned vocabulary for clothes, shoes, and accessories, how to ask about sizes, colors, and prices, useful phrases for shopping in stores and markets, real dialogues to practice shopping conversations. Well done! You are getting better at English every lesson. Part 11 Closing and next lesson preview. That's all for Lesson 11. Shopping in English, clothes, and market phrases. Don't forget to practice by speaking the dialogues aloud. Write your practice dialogues in the comments. Share this lesson with a friend who also wants to learn English. In the next lesson, Lesson 12, we will talk about at the restaurant ordering food, asking for the menu, and paying the bill. Subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss Lesson 12. Thank you for learning with me today. See you soon.